for a glueless fit. Now I already adjusted this cap to fit precise 22. Okay, then we'll be doing the placement for the deep side part. I'm using a 6x6 exclusion. So what you want to do is bring it out here 1.2 inches out at this side here. So I'm going to be measuring, so I'll do the 1.2 inch here. Okay, then just mark it straight down. This part where the mark is where we'll be on this ear tab here. So when you want to place it, you want to place it this way where the ear tab is, like this, then pin it. And I'll shake it and do where the mark is and just put it here at this point here. Where the pin of the ear is, I'll put it here and pin it down. I like to use my office pin to do this at this point here. So you can use more than one office pin so it secures the lace to the cap properly. So when you are trying to stretch it out, it doesn't repeat. Alright? So now you have the ear tabs coming like this. Okay. The next thing we want to do is this part of the lace. This part of the lace is not going to be coming out 1.2 inch. Okay. So when you place this one, you want to pin it down. Pin it down flat. You want to pin it down flat like this. So make sure you have it pinned down flat. Then this other part here will not be coming out 1.2 inch the way this one came out. You see how flat I pinned it out, pinned it here, like this. So this will not be coming out 1.2 inch. This place, you want to extend it out for 0.3 inch. So when you put it, it's supposed to be like this, out, okay? Small tiny bit here. So you just stretch it and pin it. Stretch it out and pin them. I pinned the side. So we're left with this place right now. So what you're going to do here is taking the same thing, doing the same thing I did, pinning it down. And sometimes it might require darting because of the 6x6 lace. And this is where your lace ventilation skills come to play. But we will try to stretch it as much as possible to pin everything down before sewing it down. If you're using a 4x4 lace, it's quite straight to the point. 6x6 lace, like large size laces, usually requires darting sometimes to make the lace lay flat properly. Now require for you to dart it. So what does darting mean? Darting means trying to reshape the lace to lay flat like this. This is what darting is. So when I do this and I fold it in like this and pin it down, it makes it lay flat. Then I just have to go in and ventilate this part down. So you see, this is what you're going to get inside. So if I'm darting it, I'm going to go in and ventilate this place so it can stay down. You would see some darting in some closures when you buy some factory lace closures too. So just ventilate it, let it lay down like this, and that's it. So you can go ahead and sew it down. Check again. Just sew it down before you do your guide.